This is the application I created during my school. Here I'll demonstrate how this works. First, we have to set the start up projects. Choose multiple and select this one and this one to start. This game is designed to be played by 2 to 4 players. This is one. This is another one. Here I'll just show how 2 players play this game. Here you can see this, you are player number 1, you are player number 2. We just play this game by clicking these circles, like this. I just quickly show this one. Yeah. When one player connect 4, he has won the game. There is a hint shows that player number 1 have won this game. Yeah, just like this. We can also reset the game anytime. Let me show you this. This is a third player. See, here is third one. And here is the fourth one. Sorry, my screen to show all of these. Yeah.